Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily read datasets from Google Drive with Python Pandas. In last video, I displayed you how to read datasets from GitHub and save it locally. And as you know, Google Drive is very good place for us to store something, including data set. For some of my course, I also stored some data in Google Drive. It's very convenient. When we need the data, then we read it and use it, for our analysis. We'll save our local space, also keep our data safely to avoid lost. Okay. Now let's go to our in fact not our, it's my Google Drive. I can from here to access my Google Drive. Here. My Google Drive. But it seems the internet is slow today. You see here I have a folder called Wavelet Workspace. In this folder, you see I have a data set. There's a global temperature. We all know if we want to read the data, we have to know the URL of the data sets. Okay, first, for example, you share the link to your friends, or your friends give you a link of the data sets, or you use your own. Okay, but first we have create a share link. Just right click, then you will see here the share. Okay, anyone with the link. Okay, for the here you can choose commenter or editor. I usually choose viewer. Viewer is okay. We are not allowed others edit the data. Okay, then just copy the link. Okay, copy. Now let's open a file. I usually use the Jupyter Notebook. For example, here I enter my working directory. Here is a YouTube. Where's the YouTube? My book. Oh, here. See? Then we open the Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. In fact, you can use any other IDEs. So last time you see we are read data GitHub, but this time we create a new notebook. Maybe you give a name, read data Google Drive. Like this. Rename. Okay. Let's come back. You see, of course, you all don't know uh, uh, data and like like these that or the this uh, uh, you let's go to group. First, we import and we get this code. Just know that this is the share. Yeah, we okay. This part ID are this part. This minus and then create the read. This copy ID. Maybe I make larger, then you can see clearly. Use each drive dot slash question mark ID thing as this ID. Read the data. Copy this very well about read the data and score C. Snake the if you want to the method in the last tutorial. Okay, it's very clear.